Hi, welcome to Kavin Educations. Let us discuss about the current affairs of 8th March 2021. The first topic is Jan Aushadhi Divas 2021 is celebrated on 7th March 2021. Jan Aushadhi Divas or Generic Medicine Day is celebrated on 7th March every year in India. The entire week starting from March 1st to March 7th was celebrated as Jan Aushadhi Week. March 7th was celebrated with the theme. March 7th was celebrated as Jan Aushadhi Day with the theme Seva Bhi Rojgar Bhi. Seva Bhi Rojgar Bhi. This means service along with employment. This means generic medicines offers both employment opportunities and as they are low cost medicines, they offer service too. Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jana Aushadhi Pariyojana is a scheme launched by the Government of India to provide generic drugs. Generic drugs are the drugs that are available at lesser prices but are equivalent in quality and efficacy as expensive branded drugs. Means generic drugs are equal to branded drugs in quality and efficacy. But generic drugs are available at lower prices. This is in order to help poor and achieve Sustainable Development Goal 3, SDG 3, that is health and well-being. The next topic is Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi is to inaugurate Maitri Setu. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi is to inaugurate the bridge called Maitri Setu. PM Modi will inaugurate Maitri Setu bridge between India and Bangladesh on 9th March 2021. Maitri Setu bridge has been built over River Feni, connecting Sabroom in India with Ramgarh in Bangladesh. This bridge is 1.9 kilometers long and its construction has been taken up by National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. The project cost is about 133 crores. The Prime Minister of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. India shares its longest international border with Bangladesh. It is about length 4096 kilometers. The next is Marathi actor Srikant Moge passes away. Veteran Marathi actor Srikant Moge passed away on 6 March 2021. Moge is popular for his work in both Marathi and Hindi films and theatre. The other topic is 69th Senior National Volleyball Championship has started in Bizu Patnaik Indoor Stadium in Orissa. The 69th Senior National Volleyball Championship was inaugurated at Bizu Patnaik Indoor Stadium. Orissa is hosting this Senior National Championship for the second time. This is the first time that National Football Championship matches are being played in indoor courts. Indoor courts with live streaming. This means generally volleyball is played outdoor. This is the first time volleyball is being played in indoor stadium and along with live streaming. The next current affair is Jammu and Kashmir is to host first white water rafting festival. The first ever white water rafting festival was organized by Baderwah Development Authority and Jammu Kashmir Adventure Group in the river Chenab. This event was organized on 5th March 2021. This event is being organized to promote adventure tourism in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Whitewater rafting is a recreational activity using a raft to navigate through a river. Over 1500 people from across the district attended the festival. The erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir was divided into two separate union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh by Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Act 2019, which came into effect from 31st October 2019. This activity is called whitewater rafting. The next topic is a national seminar to commemorate 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was organized in Jabalpur. To commemorate 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Indira Gandhi National Center of Arts under the Ministry of Culture organized 2-day-long national seminar at Jabalpur of Madhya Pradesh. This seminar was held on 5th March 2021 with the subject Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rashtravad aur Yuva Sarovar. Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel presided over the function. Let us know few points about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose is a fierce nationalist born in 1897. He resigned from Indian civil services and jumped into freedom struggle. He wrote the book known as The Indian Struggle, which covered independence independence events of the country. He served as the president of INC sessions, Indian National Congress sessions, in 1938 at Haripur session and in 1939 in Tripuri session. Bose founded All India Forward Bloc and led Indian National Army, that is Azad Hind Fauj, to fight against British and liberate India. He gave famous slogans Jai Hind and Dilli Chalo. He was said to have died in a plane crash in 1945. The other topic is two-day-long Gur Mahotsav or Jaggery Festival is being conducted in Lucknow. Guru Mahotsav or Jaggery Festival is the two-day event inaugurated by Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath at Lucknow. At the Jaggery Festival, farmers exhibited and sold different types of jaggery and jaggery-related products. The main aim of this event is to motivate jaggery producers to make high-quality jaggery and to create awareness about health benefits of jaggery. Using jaggery instead of sugar has some health benefits. Jaggery has less calories when compared to sugar, and also it stimulates bowel movements and helps in digestion. As jaggery is absorbed slowly, it does not spike blood sugar levels as rapidly as sugar. And also jaggery is rich in iron and also contains minerals such as potassium, magnesium, zinc. It also contains vitamins B complex. The next topic is wildfire ravages Simlipal Biosphere Reserve of Orissa. A wildfire raging for over 10 days has destroyed nearly one-third of Simlipal Biosphere Reserve in Orissa's Mayurbhanj district. Simlipal National Park and Tiger Reserve is spread over 2,750 kilometers. This reserve is well known for its tiger and elephant population. The government declared Simlipal as Biosphere Reserve in 1994 and UNESCO added it to the list of biosphere reserves in the year 2009. Simlipal is Asia's second largest biosphere reserve. There are a total of 18 biosphere reserves in India. Biosphere reserve is an area of land or water that is protected by law to support ecosystem conservation. The next topic is 76th Annual Conference of Association of Physicians of India, held at 6th March 2021. The Union Minister of State Development of Northeastern Region, donor, Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed 76th Annual Conference of Association of Physicians of India on 6 March 2021. The theme of this conference is Engaging Minds, Empowering Medicine. This conference is being held virtually for the year 2021 in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. The next is the Hindu newspaper won Champion Publisher of the Year 2020. The next topic is the Hindu newspaper won Champion Publisher of the Year 2020. The Hindu newspaper won 2 golds and 2 silvers at Van Infra's South Asian Digital Media Awards. Sports Star website of the Hindu Group won gold in Best in Lifestyle Sports Entertainment website. The Hindu's website, thehindu.com, won silver in Best Paid Content category. The Hindu newspaper was started as weekly in the year 1878 and it became daily in the year 1889. G. Subramaniam Iyer is the founder of the newspaper. Over 15 lakh copies of newspaper get circulated all over the country per day. The next topic is 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. International Women's Day is being observed on 8th March annually. The theme for the day in 2021 is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. This is the national theme, whereas international theme of the Women's Day is Choose to Challenge. This day is being celebrated to help to forge gender equality and to celebrate women achievements and increase their visibility in every sphere of life. It also highlights extraordinary role played by the women in every walk of life. The next topic is India sends warships to Bangladesh. India has dispatched 2 warships to the historical port town of Mongla in Bangladesh to celebrate 50th anniversary celebration of 1971 War of Liberation of Bangladesh. Bangladesh got liberated from Pakistan in 1971. Indian government under Indira Gandhi played key role in Bangladesh liberation. The warships corvette INS Kulish and patrol vessel Sumedha will make the port call at Mongla, at Port City Mongla, from 8th March to 10th March 2021. This is the first time that any Indian vessel is being visited to the port of Mangla of Bangladesh. The next topic is UN Crime Congress begins in Kyoto City of Japan. The 14th UN Congress on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice is being held in Japanese city of Tokyo. In this event, issues related to criminal justice, strategies of crime prevention, and international cooperation in promoting the rule of law and preventing all forms of cyber crimes will be discussed. This is the first time that Japan is hosting the conference since 1970. The next topic is Geographical Indication Mahotsav is inaugurated in Mussoorie. Arjun Munda, Union Minister for Tribal Welfare, inaugurated the Tribes India Geographical Indication Mahotsav at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration of Mussoorie on 5th March 2021. Mussoorie is located at Uttarakhand. This Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration is well known as it is the center for training for civil servants. This GI Mahotsav is an exhibition of GI tagged products. More than 40 registered proprietors and GI authorized users and tribal artisans are participating. Sri Arjun Munda also inaugurated 130th Tribes India showroom and Cave of Tribes India. Geographical indication tag is the sign given to the products of specific geographic origin. It is a sign given to the products of specific geographical origin and possesses the unique quality of that area. For example, Kondapalli toys, Banaras sari, Tirunelveli halwa, Tirupati laddu, etc. The next is Bajrang Punia clinches gold in Rome. Wrestler Bajrang Punia has clinched gold medal in Matteo Pellicon World Ranking Series event in Rome. This is Bajrang's second consecutive medal at Matteo Pellicon event. The next is India's first World Skill Center is inaugurated at Bhubaneswar by CM Naveen Patnaik. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik inaugurated India's first World Skill Center at Mancheshwar Industrial Area of Bhubaneswar on 5th March 2021. The World Skill Center aimed at making Odisha the global capital of trained manpower, and it is dedicated to different skills and trades. This project has been developed in partnership with ITEES Singapore and Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank is headquartered at Manila, Philippines, and its president is Masasugu Asakawa. Let's have a quick overview of these current affairs. Jan Aushadhi Divas was celebrated on 7th March 2021. PM Modi is to inaugurate bridge named Maitri Setu between India and Bangladesh. Marathi actor Srikant Moge passes away. 69th Senior National Volleyball Championship has started in Biju Patnaik Indoor Stadium of Orissa. Jammu and Kashmir is to host first whitewater rafting festival at River Chenab. A national seminar to commemorate 125th birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose was organized in Jabalpur of Madhya Pradesh. 2-day Gur Mahotsav is underway in Lucknow. Gur Mahotsav is Jaggery festival. India's first World Skill Center inaugurated at Bhubaneswar of Orissa. Geographical Indication Mahotsav inaugurated in Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration of Mussoorie. 76th Annual Conference of Association of Physicians of India held. Wildfire ravages Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. The Hindu newspaper won Champion Publisher of the Year 2020. 8th March is celebrated as International Women's Day. The theme of International Women's Day recognized internationally is Choose to Challenge. India sends warship to Bangladesh to commemorate the occasion of 50 years of Bangladesh liberation. UN Crime Congress begins in Japan's Kyoto. Bajrang Punia clinches gold in Rome. In wrestling, Thank you. These are all the current affairs of 8th March 2021.